Now let me show you how we can create a menu from scratch. Now you can see we created some pages, right? Let's go to the dashboard of our website here. Okay, and go to the pages. As you can see here, we created some pages. Cool. Now I want to add all these pages in a menu. So how we can do this? So in the left side, you'll see the appearance option. Click on this and click on the menu option. Cool. Now you can see this is the menu. Some default is, so I'm going to just remove this. Now I need to create a menu here. You can see the option of create a new menu. Click on this. Leave it and just name your menu. So I'm going to main menu. Okay. And just type new like this and just create menu. Cool. Once you create this, as you can see, there is no component, right? And in the bottom, you will see your primary menu. Once you check this, so that menu will display in your website. Let me just save it. And let me just refresh my website. And I couldn't see nothing because I saved the blank menu as a primary menu. There's nothing. Now, how we can add the pages? So in the left side, you'll see the all. Click on this pages. Now, I'm going to add the home, about, and contact only. And let's click on add to menu. Cool, I have 3 pages and save it. Now let's go to the website and refresh it. And home, about, and contact. Fantastic, right? So we have this entire menu thing and you can change it from here. Okay. Now you can add the post also. If you want to add like hello world post, you can add it here. Okay. So all the pages you can add and you can modify your menu according to your requirement.